Hello guys. Today I'm going to be doing a video on this clock that I visited on my most recent trip. So I visited the state of Ohio and I visited a few different areas, and one of the areas was this small place called Sugarcreek. It is this clock right here. Now, if you've been in the YouTube clock community long enough, you might recognize it, and you might believe that this is the world's largest cuckoo clock. Now, I'm here to say that it's actually not. It's the largest cuckoo clock in the US, that's for sure, but not the world. However, it's still a pretty cool clock, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to visit. So, enjoy my recording of it.